Move over, Bieber. Ozuna has surpassed Justin as the artist with the most videos to have reached 1 billion views on YouTube.
The reggaeton singer officially holds the record with 7 of his videos, either his own or featured, reaching this impressive milestone, beating out Justin's 6.
Oh, that's all it took was 7. He took to his Instagram to say, we translated this for you guys. He wrote, "I would like to thank my colleagues who believe in me and always count on me. We will continue. I love you and blessings to all. They are part of my success. I love my fans and thank you for never abandoning me." Ozuna
reached this milestone on Tuesday thanks to, and forgive me because you're going to have this song stuck in your head for the rest of the day, thanks to Taki Taki, of course, with DJ Mustard, Cardi B, and Selena Gomez. I almost said Gomez because you were singing Selena Gomez.
But yeah, among the other songs that have reached 1 billion views on YouTube, Criminal featuring Nati Natasha, Ahora Dice with J Balvin and Archangel. Sorry, Justin, man, there's a new king of YouTube when it comes to
Sorry, Justin, no pun intended.
I didn't plan that. I did it. But Justin had some amazing songs that also reached 1 billion. We're going to give him a shout out here. Among them, Sorry, Baby, What Do You Mean? I mean, see, this is what happens.
Where Are You Now on the cover of Vogue?
And where are you, Justin? See, this is what happens.
Did you see my pun?
I heard it. Okay. You did it. You nailed it. This is what happens when you take a little break, right?
People surpass you.
I need some more videos, Bieber. Meanwhile, real quick, guys, Ozuna he's a star on the rise as well. He just recently earned 10 nominations for Premio Lo Nuestro, and he was named one of YouTube's most viewed artists of 2018.
Get it.